So, as I'm on my journey with learning how to do futures trading, I was a previous options trader and I've sucked. Futures has been awesome, but I am just learning. And if I were you, just play with the paper trading. But what I'm noticing and what I've learned so far is, follow the money. So, well, obviously something happened in the market here, but a lot of times these are corporations that are selling. But you see, retails traders such as us don't have enough money to make these type of moves. So this is happening, and then as a result of that, we go back to buying. So it's like they've sold all the way because, of course, the whole buy low, sell high. So as you can see, it's going back up, and what will happen is it's going to wind up either going up and coming back down. And that's when they are buying. Now, you can come on this page and you can help me understand and learn as I continue on my journey. But as I'm going, I'm learning so much. It's just a matter of getting in and watching the charts. You have to really study them to understand. As you can see here, this is a bearish candle and it's going bullish. This is the 8:30 candle and I have it on 15-minute. Okay, so as we're going, each one is a 15-minute candle and it just tells what's happening in each candle. So this is the 9:30 candle. So 9:30 to basically 9:45 is what happened. And then this is the 9:45 to 10 o'clock. And we're about to be at, we're over 10. So now this is the 10 o'clock candle. And this is what I call, one of the strategies is called orb. So I've got a couple of strategies going on right now, but one is just the orb where you basically monitor either the 41st 15 minutes or 30 minutes to see if it breaks. And if it breaks and then it holds, or if it comes back to test, it'll either go up or it could come down. So you can watch that, or you can do just as a strategy that I'll be doing throughout the day, which is also watching the corporations as they sell, and then as it's going up, it'll continue to create a pattern, and you'll see that pattern. And so as you see my chart here, I've got all kind of stuff going on, and I'll go more into detail, but this is like the fair market value gap, fair market gap, fair value gap. Then you've got the liquidity sweeps, and you're like, okay, what's that? A lot of stuff that I've learned. But what I did learn is the chart does the same thing almost every day. If you pick one chart to just study it, it does the same thing every day. It might not do it at the exact times, but a lot of times it's doing the same thing. And before, when I did options, that was my issue. I didn't pick one chart to study. I was all over the place and had several charts. Whereas with this one, I'm picking one chart and that's pretty much it. And as you can see here, I've got, this is demand, this is supply. I know it looks a little crazy, but I'm going to clear my charts up a little bit better. And then that way I can explain a little bit more. But as you can see, like this is shooting up. This is going to go past the 10 o'clock. Well, this is the 10 o'clock candle, but we also go over to the 5-minute too. You can go over to the 5-minute and it tells a different story. So that's another thing. Each set of times tell a different story. And I am telling you this because I just realized it over the last couple of weeks because, I was so busy jumping on people's calls and things that they call out or whatever. And I figured it's time for me to really sit down and learn this. I mean, honestly, from looking at the candles to looking at the volume, of each candle, the RSI, because the RSI is basically telling you if it's overbought or oversold. So again, it's a lot to learn, but in my spare time, that's all I'm doing is looking at these charts because I realize this could be definitely lucrative as another side stream of income. You just got to be careful and you have to have a strategy down. So I am testing a couple of different strategies because I am narrowing down my strategy. I'm getting to a point where I even use ChatGPT to help me with a strategy that's so concise, because at the end of the day, if you don't follow a strategy, you just lose a lot of money. So that's why I'm paper trading, because at least I can lose money and learn while I do what I do. This is the 1-minute chart. So the 1-minute chart, again, tells a story. So look there. It's going up now. So we started here at, 9:55? And it's continuing to go up. But as you can see, these red candles. And again, that is, what was it? I get them mixed up sometimes, the demand and supply or whatever. So anyway, don't judge me. I'm still working on it. Still working on me. But I've come a long way. As you can see, this is going up. So this broke. So I can even jump in a trade here if I just decide to. You know, I said I wasn't taking any trades today, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do a long, we're gonna jump in here because actually we wanna see if it's gonna continue on. We're supposed to wait until it closed, but let's see, what did it close on the 5-minute candle? So it closed outside. So it'll either continue to go up or it can break and retest. Let's see, look at the volume. So the volume is 8,000. Okay, it's 56 for the RSI. We had 13,000 on volume there. And the volume matters a lot. And the RSI matters a lot too, so because you want to have it over 50. So the thing is like I said, I'm learning. So I'm figuring like, okay, do I jump in this trade? What do I do? You know, I very well could, you know, but let's just go for it. Let's say we're going to hit buy. See what happens. Okay, so we just, we're going down, we're going up, we're going down. What we doing? I'm closing as soon as it hit what I feel is good for me. And I missed the 125 because that's really what I was going for. I'm going down, going down. See how easy you can lose money though? It's so easy to lose money. And we have 28 seconds left on that candle, 25 seconds left, because this is, again, the 5-minute. And I'm closing out because I sniped. I'm taking what I can get, and I'm out. Now, I'll learn how to swing as I go, but I was always told don't let green turn red. So we're trying to get some green. So now it's about to go into another candle. So let's see what this next candle is going to do. Go up to 62. I'm actually go for the 125 if I can get there. Boom, we out. Oh, I think I only got the 62. Let's see, account history. Nope, I got it for 125. But you see, yesterday I lost 1,600. But then I had a bunch of other things I was doing, and so again, learning. But today I'm up 125 for my paper trade, and I could have stayed in it, but I take what I can and want the market. So anyway, just learning as I go. I do have a strategy that I'm working on, but see, it's continuing to go up, so I could have stayed in it, but you never know with this market, so you get what you can out of it, and as I go, I'll get better. But I think this might be a double. No, I thought it was going to be a double top. Let me see. No, I think, no, not yet. But anyway, all right, that's all I got for now. If you have any questions, please put them below. We can learn together because, again, these are some coins to be gotten. Why not? This money is just sitting here, and if you learn it and you get a definite strategy, again, that wasn't just a strategy, but that was jumping out of the past the 10 o'clock. Let's see, I think that was the 10 o'clock. Yeah, I think that was the 10 o'clock. This candle is the 10:10. Well, I'm sorry, no, this candle is the, oh, I'm sorry, I'm on 5 minutes, so 15 minute shows it is a green candle, and we still have 3 more minutes. 4 more minutes on this candle. So more to come. Have a great day.